It's the outer skin that holds the testes. Okay? The testes is the primary sex organ of the male. It's not the penis. And so that's the site of gametogenesis. The formation of the gametes is the testes itself. The epididymis is a curly tube on the testes. The epididymis here is in lavender. It's kind of posterior and a little superior. This is the epididymis, and this is where sperm matures. It takes like 2 weeks for sperm to mature. Okay, it's the epididymis. The vas deferens is it, and then we continue on with this lavender color scheme. Here's the epididymis. The vas deferens continues up through the spermatic cord, as part of the spermatic cord, and so it has to re-enter the male body. Now the testes hang low because spermatogenesis has to occur 1 to 2 degrees lower than body temperature, and so they have a muscle in the scrotum that can pull the testes up or relax and let it down. Okay, so the vas deferens, the epididymis continues to the vas deferens, and this whole tube here going on top of the bladder. This is all this lavender tube is the vas deferens. Okay, seminal vesicle. Now, people confuse the seminal vesicle with the seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules are the functional units of the testicles to make sperm. The seminal vesicle, it's again lavender, and it's kind of and it's paired. There's 2 seminal vesicles, and it's these kind of bumpy lavender structures here, and you can also see the seminal vesicle here on the other side. So you have the urethra and the seminal vesicles, and it's paired. There's 2 of them. And then the prostate gland on this model, the prostate gland is this round, like apple. Is the prostate gland. On this model, the prostate gland is depicted as this red apple here. So the urinary, there we go. So urinary bladder, the prostatic urethra, this is the prostate gland. And let's see if we can see, oh, the prostate gland here is kind of plum color here. And the seminal vesicle is actually, I wish they didn't pick this color, but they did, because this is the urinary bladder. This is the seminal vesicle here. And this just bump that's sticking out. Okay, so seminal vesicle. Ejaculatory duct is, okay, so you see, here's the bladder and the prostatic urethra. Well, look, there's a Y. What's going down this? Sperm. So seminal vesicle, this is the ejaculatory duct. Okay, ejaculatory duct. And then the Bobo urethra gland, it has the longest name, but it's the smallest accessory gland of the male. Figures and just small, whatever. Anyway, the Bobo urethra or CalPERS gland, and CalPERS, C-O-W-P-E-R, you can call it one or the other, depending on how confident you are in your spelling. It's this little pea-shaped gland right here, is CalPERS gland. Or Bobo urethra gland. I just like that word, Bobo urethra. Here's the seminal vesicle here. This is, wait a minute, I got that wrong. I had it upside down. Okay, urinary bladder, prostatic urethra. This is ejaculatory duct, and I don't see any Bobo urethral gland on this model.
Just this little dot right
It's
here.
that dot, yeah, that little pea, that zit sticking out, that mole. And it's kind of, I guess it's white. Is it white?
Yes.
Yeah, it's white. Okay, and then we travel through the penis. And remember, in the red, the urethra in the red area, this is the membranous penis. And then through the green area, the green zone, this is the penile urethra. And then the glans penis. The glans penis is the inside tip of the penis, is the glans penis. Did I say that right? Let me look at that. Okay, yeah. The prepuce is the foreskin, this outer shell, this lip is the prepuce. So the glans penis is the inside tip, the prepuce is the outer shell on the very end of the penis. This is circumcised. Corpora cavernosum and sponginosum. Those two I'm going to have to look up, but it's in these green-blue areas. I have to remember which one is which. Yeah, I have to look those up, figure it out. This penis...